Hello everybody, welcome back to another installment from our series Straight from the Horse's Mouth. Listen to a panel of experienced business leaders who've successfully built their businesses on circular economy principles. They'll share how they've gone about it and also what they wish they had known when they started out. Here's a sneak preview.
Every baby goes through 5,000 nappies, terrifying statistics. So these 650 babies that live on the island of Tuvalu go through 1 million nappies a year. So we're looking at work to eradicate all of those nappies and make great compost.
We're highly circular. So our mill in Melbourne's been operating since 1985 and the one in Sydney since 1993. And both of those mills use 100% scrap feed, scrap steel as their source. And ultimately, we've been circular long before it was the new black. For us, it's really an opportunity where we've developed those metrics based on the Ellen MacArthur Foundation approach to help support and foster the discussion in this space.
It was really around the cradle-to-cradle principles. We read the book, met with Bill McDonough. We were the first product to be cradle-to-cradle certified.
Very little innovation in our sector for the past 50, 100 years, really. Buildings haven't changed. And in fact, the trend is to use less high quality materials, cheaper composites that allow you to build at an economic rate. And that client recognizes that as a second-hand product, there's going to be inherent resistance. Does it meet code requirements? Is it strong enough? Has it been damaged? Where was it? And so those are ever present.
We had to engage with our manufacturer in Ohio. They signed an NDA with the folks from Cradle to Cradle, and then everyone up the supply chain, every element, if you think of every element of that product, signs an NDA, and that took months to convince them.
But I really do believe that collaboration, and from the examples that we're seeing at the ACE Hub as well, collaboration is not only critical, but it's also so valuable to businesses.
I think the biggest challenge perhaps from the circular economy in terms of embedding it in business is that justification for shifting the business model from something that's been entrenched for so many years to something that is potentially quite scary for a lot of companies.
Throughout this installment, you'll learn why they adopted circularity, the successes and pitfalls they encountered, as well as the tools and metrics they used. If you're interested in watching this installment, you can find it on the thinkstep-anz website.